Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be making these fancy looking eggless butterscotch cupcakes. So without further ado, let's jump right into the recipe. For the buttermilk, in a bowl add 1 cup of lukewarm milk. To this we'll add 1.5 tablespoons of vinegar. Mix it well and keep it aside for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now in another bowl we'll add half a cup vegetable oil, 1 cup of powdered sugar. With the help of a whisk we'll mix it very well. Now to this we'll add the buttermilk which we made earlier. Again we'll give everything a good mix. Add 8 to 10 drops of good quality butterscotch essence and mix. Place a sieve over the same bowl and add 1.5 cup of refined flour, a teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of baking soda. I will sift all the dry ingredients very well through the sieve. Using a spatula, we'll fold all the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. Add 1/4 cup of milk which is at room temperature and again mix it very well. And our butterscotch cupcake batter is ready. Now fill the cupcake liners with the batter and put these to bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for good 25 to 30 minutes. For the praline cupcake topper, we'll dust this luster dust with the help of a brush on the chocolate mold. For the praline, put a saucepan on low flame and add half a cup of granulated sugar. Spread it using a spatula and let it cook. The sugar has started caramelizing. We'll cook this until the sugar melts down completely. Then add 1 tablespoon of butter. Again mix and cook until we get that beautiful golden brown color. It's done. We'll switch off the flame. Immediately with the help of a spoon we have to transfer this praline into our chocolate mold. You have to do it as early as possible, otherwise it will harden up. After doing so, we'll let this cool for about 10 minutes. After about 10 to 12 minutes, it will come out itself. Our praline cupcake toppers are ready. Meanwhile, our cupcakes are also nicely baked. For the caramel sauce, put the saucepan on low flame and add 1 cup of granulated sugar. Again spread it nicely with the spatula and let this cook. You can see the sugar has started caramelizing. Cook this, stirring it continuously until the sugar melts down completely. Then we'll add 1/4 cup of salted butter. Again mix and cook for about 1 minute. At this stage we'll add half a cup of fresh cream. Mix this and cook for another 1 minute. Then add half a teaspoon of butterscotch essence. Mix this very well and cook for 1 minute more. And our caramel sauce is ready. Now in a bowl take 1 cup of chilled whipping cream. With the help of an electric beater we'll beat this until we get nice stiff peaks. Now to this we'll add 1/4 cup of caramel sauce which we made earlier. Please make sure that it is at room temperature. We'll again beat this for 1 minute and our caramel infused whipped cream is ready. With the help of a nozzle, we'll make some space in the center of our cupcakes like the way I'm doing. We'll fill them with the caramel sauce which we made earlier. After filling in the caramel, we'll put the lids on. Hold the cupcake in one of your hand and with the help of a star nozzle, we'll decorate the cupcakes with the caramel infused whipped cream which we made earlier. After that, drizzle some caramel sauce in a zigzag motion. I'm using some store-bought butterscotch nuts. Sprinkle 4-5 nuts on each cupcake. And lastly, top these up with that fancy praline cupcake topper. And with that, our fancy looking modern eggless butterscotch cupcakes are ready. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the recipe. And if you did, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.